And giving us those details. Parsanath, the results came out. Let's quickly address them. At this point in time, their sales were up 15%. Profits slipped down about 20% at that. Pradeep Jain, Chairman of Parsanath, joined us on the show. Mr. Jain, thanks very much. Can you take us through how the quarter has been for you and particularly what you've seen on the margins this quarter round, as well as the trend going forward?
See, the Q2 as compared to a year ago, very good. Our consolidated top line, it was about 197 crore as against 173 crore. And if you look at the half yearly, as against 288 crore to 455 crore. And if we take the EBITDA, the quarter EBITDA from 79 crores to 105 crore and half yearly EBITDA 126 crore to 178 crore, and the PBT 55 crore to 85 crore and 78 crore to 139 crore. I like to mention the one thing into it. The last year into the same quarter, we generate around 25 crore rupees against the security sale. We dilute 4% equity of our subsidiary company of Parsanath Landmark to the Red Fort Fund. So that is basically extraordinary revenue we generated within that quarter. And if we consider that in this year-on-year basis, our top line and bottom line substantially improved. And if we talk about the margins, if we are not taking the margin into the account of the extraordinary income, then our margin increased from the PBT increased from 60% to 176%. And the margin increased from 31% to 52%.
Right. Okay, let's go across. The All India management joins. Okay, I think the press conference will just begin in a bit. We'll have Mr. Borat, the Chairman and Managing Director.